morning, students. I hope everyone are fine, right? So shall we begin the class? Okay, fine. So in the last class, means in school only I completed up to, that is a 2.5, right? 2.5, which may we completed, that is up to 13th we completed, right? Sorry, 12th we completed. In 2.5, 12th may completed. Okay. So today we are going to solve the, that is a 13th one. Even I told how to solve that 13th one. I given a hint in the class. I don't know whether you solved or not. Okay. Still, I'll solve here. That is a 13, 2.5, 13th. Sorry. Wait one second. 2.5, 13th one. Okay, 2.5, 13th one. What they given? If x plus y plus z is equal to 0. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then prove that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3x yz. We have to prove here. Okay. So for that, it's proof. Prove that. Start the proof. Given that, given x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Okay. So we know that what is the formula? That is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus xy, right? Is right, minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is a formula we have, right? We know this formula, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to what? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx. This is the formula, one of the identities, we know that already, right? So the given condition is here, x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Substitute the given term in this formula. Okay, here x plus y plus z is there, right? So put here 0. What it will become? The whole term will become a 0. 0 into anything is 0 only. So write here 0. That is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z is equal to 0 because given x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Okay, because given x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Then we can write from this one x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay, take this one this side. What they given? To show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. What we got here? We got right. So write here, hence the okay, hence the proof. Next, go for the which question? That is a 14th one. Do the 14th one. What they given here? 14th one is nothing but a, without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. Okay, without finding the cubes, don't find the cube value here. Okay, so just without doing that direct multiplication, without finding the cube's value, we have to find that answer here. Okay, how to do that one? First one, 14th one. Again, we have to use the 13th formula only. In 13th we solved, no? That formula only we have to use here. Okay, for that, minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Okay, we can use this formula. See here, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Yeah, right? But we have to use this formula only when x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Right? Only when x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then only we can use this formula. Otherwise, we can't use. Otherwise, we have to use this minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into all the long formula we have to use arithmetic. But whenever this condition satisfied, no, then we have to use this formula. Okay. So for that, observe here, minus 12 is there. 7 plus 5, how much? 12. 12 and minus 12. We'll get a 0, right? X is a minus 12, y is a 7 and z is a 5. If we add all the numbers, then we will get a 0. Then we can use this formula right here. So use this formula now. That is x is equal to what? Minus 12. Y is equal to 7. Z is equal to 5. Right? So minus 12 cube plus 7 whole cube plus 5 cube. That is equal to what? 3 minus 12 into x is, sorry, y is 7, z is 5. Multiply and write. Here 12 3 is 36 into here 7 5 is 35. Now multiply. 36 into 35. 5 6 is 30. 5 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 3 6 is 18. 1 carry. 3 is 9. 10 here. Okay. So 0, 8 is 16. 2, 1. What is the answer here? Minus 1260 is the answer. Minus 1260 is the answer. Getting everyone? Okay, fine. Next, we'll move to the second question. As same as first one, we have to solve the second one also. This is the 14th May. In 14th May, this is the first problem, right? So now we are going to do the second problem. Second one. What the given second one? 28 cube. 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. Right? So here, same formula. Observe here, x is equal to what? X is equal to 28 and y is equal to what? Minus 15. Z is equal to minus 13. Okay. If we add these two, minus 28 and this one is a plus 28, we'll get a x plus y plus z is a 0. So we can use that formula right here. So use that formula. So 28 whole cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube, that is equal to what? 3x y z, right? So here 3x is what? 28, right here. And y is what? Minus 15. And z is minus 13. Now multiply and write. Multiply and write your answer. I don't multiply here, okay? Okay, it's a waste of time. Do it yourself. This is a multiplication. Here minus minus is there. The answer should be in a plus. The answer should be in a plus only. So multiply, write your answer. Getting? Okay. We'll go for the next question. That is the 15th main. Now we'll solve the 15th main. In 15th main, Give a possible expression for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. Okay, they given an area of a rectangle. You have to find the length and breadth. What is the area of the rectangle? You know formula of area of rectangle here. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. Right? Okay, so area of a rectangle formula is L into B. L means length and B means breadth. We have to find the length and breadth here. Okay, they given an area, but we don't know the L and B. We have to find the L and B here. So what is the area given? First one, area is equal to 25A square minus 35A plus 12. Right? So we have to solve this equation, that is ultimate quadratic equation is there. So find the roots here. So 1225 is how much? 1225 is 12 5 is 60, 12 to 24, 24 plus 6 is 300. Okay, so we want 300, and the same way if we do the subtraction or addition, then we have to get a 35. Middle number is 35 there, and multiplication 300. What are the factors here? What are the factors of 300? Factors of 300. 25. No. So how to find the factors here? 26, 35 we want. 25 plus it's 30 plus 5. It's 150, right? So next 28 plus 7. 28 sevens are? No, it is not a possible. And after that 20 plus 25. No, it is also not possible. Sorry, this is a 10. We can't take a 10 also. Yeah, but it is a 250. So what are the factors for that one? Observe. What are the factors, right? 2.5, right? Yes. What are the factors? So that is a 3 and 3 and 4 they given here. Wait. A square minus 25 a square minus 35a plus 12 is there. Okay, 25 4 no, it is not a possible. We want 35 as the answer, right? 5 minus 4 into 5 minus 3 means 5 by the 25 a square minus 15a, and here yes 15. Okay, so this is a 5 minus 4 minus 5 minus 3 means 15 into 20. Okay, so do that 15 into 20, you get the factors. 15 into 20, what is that? That is a 300, right? So we get here that is 25a square minus 28 minus 15a plus 12. Okay, so now take the common terms, that is a 5a in the bracket. What we left here? 5a minus 4. Next here take a 3 common, that is 5a minus 4. So So what left here, that is 5a minus 4 into 5 minus 3. Area means what here? Length into breadth. This is the L and this is the breadth. Right? So what is the length here? Length is a 5a minus 4 and breadth is a 5a minus 3. If you take a, this one is the length and this one is the breadth, it won't matter. Okay, you can exchange both the values. This is the breadth and this is the length, or this is the length or this is the breadth. Both are correct here. Okay, we don't know proper values, but this should be in the form of a L into B. Here L is a 5a minus 4 and B is a 5a minus 3 here. Getting? So right here, therefore length is equal to 5a minus 4 and breadth is equal to 5a minus 3. These are the answers. Okay, like this you have to write. Do for the next one also. Same process. Second one, or the given second one here. Area is 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Right? So 35y square plus 13y minus 12 is there. Multiply first here. 35 into 12. What is the answer? 12 5 is 60. 12 is a 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. So we want a 420 number here, and if we add the numbers, we want a 13 as the answer, right? So what is the weight here? Yes, 13y only they given, right? 35y square plus 13y minus 12. What are the factors for 420? That is 16. No, wait here. Six, 7s are 42, but we want a 17 to 6. But if we subtract, we don't get that answer. Leave that one. So next one is 13. 3 is the how much? No, 13. Next one is 420. We have to find the factors of a 420. Find the factors of a 420. Here 2 2s are 2 1s are. Next 3 7s are 21. Next 15 13. 2 35 5 7 7 1 okay, we can take this numbers only. 7 5 35 and 2 3 6. 6 5 30. 6 6 18. Oh, this is, we can't take this one. 2 3 6 60 12. So yes, here only we get it, right? 35 12s are 420. 35 minus 12 is what? 35 minus 12. We get the answer as a 23. But we want answer as a 13. Then what numbers we have to take here? 7 2s are 14. Next 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. No, we can't take that one also. 7, keep 7 as same it is. 3 2s are 5, sorry, 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. No, we can't take. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 7, we can't take. 12 minus 5, no, 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. And here, no. So which value should we have to take here? And finding the factors. If you won't find the factors, then use the formula. You know the formula, right? That is b is equal to minus 2a plus or minus root of a square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That formula also you can use and find the roots. Okay, in that type of also we can find the factors. Wait here. 7y minus 3 and 5y plus 4. 7y minus 3 and 5y plus 4 means 35. 7y means 35y square, and here plus 7y 28y minus 15. Yeah. So 28 and minus 15. Take here 35y square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. Okay. So that is the, if we multiply 28 and 15, we will get the answer as a 420 only. And if you subtract plus 28 minus 15, you will get the answer as a plus 13 here. Okay. So that is here 35y square is there, right? 35y square. Take here a 7 common, 7y, 5y plus 4 minus 3 common, 3, 5 plus 4. Okay. So what left here? 7y minus 3 and 5y plus 4. This is the length into breadth. Length is 7y minus 3, breadth is 5y plus 4. This is the breadth and this is the length. This is the answer. Got? Okay. So we completed 15th also. Next go for the 16th one. 16th one. They given a volume of a cuboid. What is the volume of a cuboid formula? 16th one. Volume of cuboid. That is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay. So volume of a cuboid formula is length into breadth into height. But the given here volume, first one is, how much they given here? 3x square minus 12x. Okay. Convert in terms of three products. Okay. So that is, take here a 3x common, right? So what left? 3x minus 4. Right. So we can write this one as a 3 into x minus 4. Right. So this is in the form of length into breadth into height. So L is equal to 3 and breadth is equal to x, height is equal to x minus 4. This is the answer. Okay. Length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. We can write like this. Product of a three terms. Okay. Next one is another one they given here. Second one. Go for the second one. Volume, that is 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. Okay. So here just take a common term first. Take a common term. That is take how much you want to take here? 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8, 4 5. So take a 4k is the common. In every number k is there. So that's why I am taking a 4k as a common term here. Then what left here? 3y square, right? Next plus 2y minus 5, right? So we got here on quadratic equation. One quadratic equation is there, right? So solve this equation. 5 3 is 15 and here we got the 2. 5 3 is 15. 5 and 3 only take. 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 1. Okay. 4k here. Next 3y is a common, y plus, sorry, 3y square plus 2y minus 3y and minus 5 is there, right? So take here 3 5s are 15 only. So we have take plus, sorry, minus 3y plus 5y, because we can take a common, that's why I'm exchanging the numbers. Okay, minus 3y plus 5y. Now take a 3y as a common. What left here? Y minus 1, right? Next, here take a 5 as the common, and what left here? Y minus 1, right? Here take a plus only, plus 5y minus 5. Okay, y minus 1, y minus 1. So that is equal to 4k. Here y minus 1 into 3y plus 5. So this is our number. Length, breadth, height. Right? So what is L here? L is equal to 4k and breadth is equal to y minus 1 and height is equal to 3y plus 5. This is the answer. This is the volume of a cuboid. And length and breadth, height we found here. Right? So product of a three terms you have to convert here. You will get the length, breadth and height. That is the volume formula. Volume of a cuboid is nothing but a L into B into H. That is the length into breadth into height. Okay. So we completed. That is the first, second chapter. Second chapter also completed. In that they given a summary. Okay. In the last they given a summary. In this chapter you have studied the following points. The polynomial in a one variable x is an algebraic expression in x of the form p of x is equal to an x to the power n, an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1, so on, a2 x square plus a1 x plus a0. Okay, so this is the polynomial in the form. I given all the points, whatever the given in the summary, so I told all the points in the class only. Right after completion of this 2.5 in CW, you have to write the summary points. Okay, write all the summary points in a CW. Okay, so homework is solve this 2.5 in HW first. After that, solve in the CW. That is the homework for you. We'll meet in the next class. Okay, we'll start that third chapter, coordinate geometry, in the next class. Okay, thank you everyone.